Samsung is preparing for its highly anticipated foldable phone launch next month, alongside its flagship smartwatch series. While we await their release, new details emerge indicating the existence of the next flagship Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy S25 Ultra seems to have entered the IMEI database way ahead of the launch, likely sometime early in Q5 2025. According to Android headlines, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will bear the SMS 938U model number. The U here indicates that the device is designated to the US region like the previous models. The latest details provided by the publication are some of the concrete information that has come up on the Galaxy S25 models from Samsung thus far. While it confirms the flagship phone's existence, something solid about the Galaxy S25 Ultra is yet to be revealed. But thanks to the previous rumors and leaks, we might have a slighter idea of what to expect from the Ultra model alongside the standard Galaxy S25 models. But leakers and reporters have been spilling details about it since the S24 Ultra launched. They aren't definite, but intriguing still. Like last week, Sawyer Galox posted on X about the UFS 4.1 standard we might see with Galaxy S25 Ultra. If and when you get to benchmark it, there must possibly be an uptick in read or write speeds. UFS 4.1 may even help that Galaxy AI features people love so much. Cameras will snap photos faster, and AI will compile translations quickly. Galox had some more info that he spilled. The base Samsung Ultra 5G model is 12 GB or 256 GB, like it always is. But we move up. They most likely want to configure a 16 GB and 1 TB piece for next time. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is tipped to feature a 6.9-inch AMOLED 2X display with 3000 nits of peak brightness compared to a 6.8-inch display with 2600 nits of peak brightness on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Some other reports we saw were about 200 megapixel first camera and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Another news we covered on Whatmobile before had speculations about 3 50-megapixel cameras coming to Galaxy S25 Ultra. 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 50-megapixel telephoto, and 50-megapixel super telephoto are possible. The tipster says the Galaxy S25 Ultra might feature a battery between 5000 mAh and 5500 mAh with 65-watt wired fast charging. It might also pack 25-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging features. The predecessor has a 5000 mAh battery, alongside 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging support, but no one can tell with absolute certainty. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.